Hello! In this video we are going to install the source code editor that we are going to use in this course. A source code editor is a text program designed specifically for editing source code of computer programs by programmers. Source code editors are the most fundamental programming tool, as the fundamental job of programmers is to write and edit source code. Some examples of code editors are Atom, Notepad++, Brackets. For this course I will install Brackets, but feel free to install the code editor that you would like to use for this course. Okay, so to install Brackets, I will just open Google and type in download Brackets and hit enter. Okay, so here is the first page that we are going to go to. And in this page you see the blue button where it says download Brackets. Click the button and the download will begin. Once the download is finished, double-click the file and run the installation. And after that, you are good to go. Okay, I won't install it since I already have on my computer. I will just go and search for Brackets. I will open the program. Okay, don't worry about this small error. It's an error loading project because I deleted the folder that you see on my desktop called programming, and the Brackets can't find the file. Okay, I will create the folder called programming, and we are going to use this folder. Okay, open folder and programming, select folder. Inside this folder, let's create a new file. We will call this file index.html. And don't worry if you don't know what HTML is, I will explain in the next lesson. So that's all for this lesson. See you in the next one. Bye.